guys, my name's Craig Petty and this is Playlist. But frankly, I think it's a bit of a coincidence that these two cards right there on the top match. Now that might be a fluke, except for the fact that the second two cards match as well. Let's have a look at the third cards. They match as well. In fact, I think this is less of a coincidence and more of a miracle. Now, Playlist is a collection of custom printed gimmicked cards that allow you to have a mentalism and magic act in your wallet that you can do anytime, anywhere. Now, that's a QR code. The QR code links up to a URL. Have you got a phone?
I have, yeah.
Can you unlock it for me?
Yep.
There we go. And I'm just going to access your camera. Is that okay? Mm-hmm. Oh, there you go. I've got your Instagram then. That's not good. There it is, camera. Okay?
Yep.
All I'm going to do is scan the QR code. There you go. It's coming up. Okay, and here's the thing. It's loading. It's loading. Ah! It's loading. Is the sound up? We're going to put the sound up on this. And that QR code went straight through to Thriller. And the song that you're thinking of.
Great. Lovely.
This takes the whole concept of the wallet series to the next level. What you have here are custom printed song download cards. Now these are designed to look like the cards that you find in service stations and cafes around the whole of the world. And the whole idea is that you bring these cards out and then you can do anything up to a 20-minute act with nothing more than these cards in your wallet. Anytime you want to, just say stop.
Stop.
There. Do you want that one there?
Yeah.
You happy with that one?
Yeah.
You don't want to change your mind?
No.
Because you could have gone on and had that one or that one or that one or that one or that one, but that's the one that you want, right?
Yeah.
Let's have a look. Uptown Funk. You happy with that one?
Yeah.
Good. So I'm going to lay the cards out here. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you're about to see here is the big finish. And this is not mind reading. This is magic. And I want you to understand something right now, guys. This is not just a single trick, one trick pony, where you do the trick, you put it away and that's it. What you have here is a project of different routines that you can structure together into an act. You could go into a gig, whether it be a close-up gig or a parlor gig or even a stage gig, and take these cards which go in your regular everyday wallet, and you could do a 20-minute act that will absolutely blow your audiences away. And you're going to absolutely love this. Now, if I took this Uptown Funk, because you picked Uptown Funk, didn't you? Yeah. If I took Uptown Funk and rubbed it against this card and said, look, it's Uptown Funk, that wouldn't be very impressive, because you know there's two Uptown Funks. But if I took Britney and I just snapped my fingers and waited a second, and then I got that into Uptown, I mean, that would now be a little bit more impressive, wouldn't it? Let's see if we can do it again. Watch. If I just take this one and turn that one into Uptown Funk, I mean, that's just getting a little bit crazy right now. Let's take this one. So we've got single ladies. Watch. All I have to do is snap for a second. I said earlier on that Uptown Funk was my favorite song. So it's a really good job that you actually picked Uptown Funk, because that's my favorite song. And if I just take these cards and one at a time, I snap, I can make each and every one of these turn into Uptown Funk, which is crazy because that was your choice. And now I'm in a situation where I can snap one last time and just do this. And every single one of these cards all the way through was changed into Uptown Funk. And that right there is the big finish. Thank you.
That's so good.
Now you can have an entire act in your wallet that you can do anytime, anywhere, that's good enough for you to do in the highest profile gig and easy enough for you to do anytime, anywhere. I'm super excited to be working with Alakazam to bring this to you, and I know you're absolutely going to love it. My name's Craig Petty, and this is Playlist.